music makers. I'm Kate Harmony, this is Ray Harmony, and welcome to Hack Music Theory.
So, over the last few months, we've been conceptualizing and planning a brand new series for you. And don't worry, our new music theory series will continue like normal. We'll just switch back and forth between the two. And if you're wondering why we need a new series, well, there's two reasons.
Firstly, Hack Music Theory is all about relevant music theory, which is why we trawl through the new releases every week to bring you the best new theory. But there are tons of great songs that were released years ago, like Bulls on Parade, which are still totally relevant today. So we'd love to be able to hack these kinds of songs for you as well. And with this new series, we can.
And secondly, our other videos are longer, and while that step-by-step process is essential for learning how to write great music from scratch, it does require more of a time commitment from you, whereas this new series will deliver short videos containing one power hack, which you can instantly apply to music you're already working on in order to improve it.
We respect your time and we appreciate you giving it to us every week.
So this new series is a way for us to continue serving you, but to take up less of your time while offering you more in the way of insights into songs we wouldn't otherwise hack.
We're super stoked to bring you a wider range of music theory hacks. We hope you dig them.
Alright, it's time to open your door to Hack Music Theory.
The Bulls on Parade verses contain one of the grooviest riffs ever. This is partly due to it having lots of syncopation and being in the pentatonic minor scale. But there's a very unexpected note in this riff that takes it to a whole new level. And it's not just the addition of this unexpected note, it's also where this note is placed. So the note is the 7, and it's placed between two flat 7s, before resolving to the root.
Alright, now you're going to learn how to instantly apply this power hack to your own music. What we see on the screen right now is our example that we made earlier. We're using the F blues scale, and this is our before the hack version, and this is our after the hack version. We'll play through both at the end. So playing the flat 7 up to the 7 and then up to the root isn't anything special, but playing the flat 7 up to the 7 and then going back down to the flat 7, that certainly is special. You see, when you play the flat 7 up to the 7, it creates some serious tension, and only a provocative and brave artist wouldn't then resolve that 7 up to the root.
By the way, if you're new to music theory and all of these numbers are confusing you, then download our free book, 12 Music Theory Hacks to Learn Scales and Chords. It only takes 30 minutes to read, and it'll give you a super solid music theory foundation.
Now, the band do resolve to the root after that last flat 7, but that creates frustration as it wasn't the big resolution the listener expected after the 7, and the resolution didn't happen when the listener wanted it to over here. That's a very cool hack. So if you're feeling brave, like Rage Against the Machine, then throw this power hack into one of your bass lines or riffs.
Alright, now let's have a listen to the before and after. And if there's a song you'd like us to hack in this new series, let us know in the comments below.
Thank you for being part of the Hack Music Theory community. We'll see you next week.